What's up, guys? Today we're going to do our first video. We're going to be fishing a small creek back there. We just got to go get the poles. So here's the first location we're going to fish. There's a bunch of schooling fish up there. I don't know if y'all can see them. We're going to try to catch some of those for bait later. Yeah, don't push me, bro. Here we go. We're arriving at the spot. I'm going to stand up here. Look at them. Can you record? I'll record you and then you record me.
I go first. There we go. I have a very bad feeling about this. So,
he's fishing. They're swarming it.
They're attracted to it.
Nothing. Okay, Gavin, here. Hold it.
Get the bigger ones.
Ready? Hold it. Ready? I have no clue what I'm doing here. Proof I have no clue what I'm doing. What should I do, Gavin?
What you got?
Do I just pull it out and then just...
Yeah.
Like that?
Keep going.
More?
Like, let go of it now. It does.
We really got to get it out there somehow. This is the smallest hook and stuff I have.
There you go. Just try to hold it up.
This is not working right.
Yeah.
You just cast.
Watch it.
Just gonna let it sit.
Ooh. Swarming.
Maybe we should head to the big spot.
Yeah. Well, this is bigger than the other one.
Well, yeah, but like...
There we go. Oh, shoot.
Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare.
There we go. Move my phone over. Should have done it. I think that just made it worse. Heck, man. It's up all the time.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Because it came out of the hole.
Well, guys, we had one, and then he got off, and since then they don't want it. I mean, simple as that. Oh, I just lost one, actually. He wants it. One guy wants it. Maybe we need some live bait so when they eat it, they have a taste. Okay.
I mean, they have spray like that. You can spray on bait.
Okay.
That's an apple, man. That's a rock. I was about to say, I was kind of an apple.
Oh, the big one had it. The big one had it.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to like add some music because this is probably really boring for them.
Hey.
Oh my god, I just lost him. Did you see him? He took off with it.
What are you using?
A hook.
No. Hey. Oh. Come on now.
There was one that looked like half a pound. I don't know where he went.
Half a pound's crazy. Hey, almost got it. Come on. What if I sat down and people could carry? I see that big one.
If I drop it, they like swarm it.
Hey, oh my god, oh! Dude, it had it. I was so in the head. I'm about to just go find a net.
That's cheating.
I know, but I just wanted to do it. I'm just worried about a snake. Especially where I'm standing. Mine just looks like a normal fish.
Mine's white, like a bug.
Probably they like yours so much.
Okay, guys, we gotta switch baits. Hey guys, we're at our final destination. I just saw a turtle, but I missed him. And now I'm just fly fishing. I mean, there's nothing really here. Excuse me. This is not a very good idea. It used to be full of fish, and now it's not. Well, let you know if I catch anything. Yo, guys, you won't believe it. I just caught my first fish from the hole. I don't know what the... I'm trying to take him off. I didn't do this to him, but like, look. If you know what this is, guys, let me know in the comments. I thought it was a bass, but these aren't bass. So let him go. Off he goes.